Welcome to this video in which we are going to learn how to make this crankshaft in SOLIDWORKS. So let's begin. So at first select file, click on new, select part and click OK because we are going to open a new part file. Now select this front plane, click on sketch because we are going to make a circle on this front plane. So make a circle, select smart dimensions, and here we need to specify the diameter of this circle. So specify 76.2 millimeter, then go to features, select extruded boss base and extrude it up to 27.31 millimeter. Just change the background to plain white, select this face, click on sketch and make a circle here at this origin. Make a bigger circle. Okay, so make another circle here and we are going to make a relation. So select this point, select this point, make sure press the control button and then make relation as vertical. Now we are going to make the distance between these two center points. So set the distance as 63.5, specify the diameter of this circle as 88.9 and the difference between these two circles is 12.7. Okay, now what we are going to do, we are going to make two lines. So select the line and make one line like this, select the line again and make the line here like this. All right, so select this line, press the control button, select this circle and make the relation as tangent. Similarly, select the circle and the line, make relation as tangent, and here we are going to repeat the steps. Make sure to press the control button while selecting the circle and the line. All right, we are done. And now select the trim entities. Make sure to select this power trim and trim these extra lines. Do not trim the circles, just trim the extra lines first. All right, so trim the inner geometry like this. You can select this trim to the closest and then select these extra geometry. Okay, we are done. So go to features, select extruded boss base and extrude it up to 19 millimeter. Click OK and select this face, click on sketch. All right, so now select the circle and just go to the circumference and you are going to see this option for the center of the circle. Make a circle here and specify the diameter of this circle as 63.5 and go to feature, select extruded boss base, simply extrude it up to 26.67 millimeter. Click OK. All right, so what we are going to do, we are going to select a plane. So we are going to select this plane, right plane, and click on select right plane and click on sketch button and select this 3-point arc. 3-point arc, as the name suggests, 3 points. So what's going to be the first point? This one, and the center here, the center point here, second one and third one. Okay, so select the smart dimension and specify the radius of this as 169. Select the line and just make a sketch like this in order to close this geometry. Okay, now what we are going to do here, select the 3-point arc again. First point, second point, not the center, not the center here, and the third point like this. Okay, so select the smart dimension, specify the radius as 169 degree. All right, so we are going to set this as 5 millimeters. So select these 2 points and specify the distance as 5. All right, now repeat the steps again of making the lines in order to close this geometry. Okay, we are done. Now go to features, select extruded cut and what we are going to do is in directions select through all both, click OK, and here we have got this geometry. All right, so now we have to fillet it. So select the fillet command and here specify 2.5 millimeter as fillet. All right, so select this edge and this edge and check the box. Okay, select the fillet again and here this time specify as 0.8 as fillet radius and select these inner circles, click OK. Okay, so what we have to do, we are going to mirror the same thing. So bodies or face to mirror is this, and just delete it because we do not need features, rather we need bodies to mirror. Select this body, select the entire body, click OK, and here we go. Now we have to make three patterns. So in this direction window, select this face of the cylinder, and here we need to specify the distance as 145.96 and number of patterns are 3. So scroll down a little bit and here we need to select this bodies because we are going to make a pattern of bodies, and check the box, and here we go. Now what we have to do is rotate these patterns up to 120-degree. So we have to go to reference geometry and select the axis, select this outer surface of the cylinder and click OK. This axis has been appeared. We have to extend it. This axis we can extend it up to our need. Okay, so this much is fine. Now we need to go to insert features and select this move and copy. So in this you could have many options here, but what you have to do is select this option, this one, translate rotate, and here you can have this translation and rotation, but we need rotation only. So in this window what we need to do is select this middle pattern and bodies, and in solid rotation we need to select this axis and we need to specify the degree of rotation as 120-degree, and here you can see this has been rotated. We need to repeat the step for the third pattern. Go to features and here we need to select the move and copy. In this very window we need to select the pattern, which is the third one, and in rotation we need to specify the axis, and here we can specify as 120, but we need to specify here minus 120. So insert a minus sign here and here we go. That's perfect. And now we can hide this axis because there is no more use of this axis. So you can specify any color here, any material you like. I'm specifying this. Okay, so if you find this tutorial helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.